Hey, today we're having shrimp and steak kebabs on top of a bed of yellow rice, yellow turmeric rice on top of that. Oh, look at this. Stay tuned, you're gonna love this. Okay, so for these skewers, at least for the steak portion, we're gonna have some olive oil, lemon juice, we have oregano, we have some ground coriander, we have some parsley, we have some cinnamon, we have some nutmeg, take it back, we have nutmeg and we have cinnamon, then we have some smoked paprika, we have some pepper, and we have Mediterranean sea salt. It's coarse, I like it. And we have about 3 pounds of top sirloin steak that we're going to be using. So let's add the ingredients. All right, so in goes the oregano, all right, and in goes the nutmeg. I don't know why I keep stumbling over that. In goes the cinnamon. The smoked paprika. Got over in there. The parsley. The ground coriander. Sure, get that in there. Gotta have that. We have the pepper. And then we have the Mediterranean coarse sea salt. Okay. We're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. That in here, if you got fresh lemons, even better. And then we're going to add about a quarter of a cup of olive oil. You can use any oil you want. I just like olive oil. All right, let's get this sealed up so we can massage it. Massage all of the ingredients into the meat. It's all good to go. Alright, so now this is going to go into the refrigerator. If you've been watching me for a while, you know what I'm about to say. Minimum 20 minutes if you're in a rush. But if you have the time, you want to do at least 4 hours to overnight. Alright, let's get this in the fridge. See when it's time to skewer up. Okay, so for the shrimp, we have 1 pound of clean and deveined, de-shelled shrimp, 16-20 count. We're going to make a little marinade for them. Got some olive oil here. You want to put about a quarter of a cup, almost a half a cup of olive oil. Okay. We're going to add some paprika. A little paprika to that. Okay, we're going to add a little thyme. A little bit of thyme. It's going to be nice. A little bit of thyme leaves. We're going to add some basil. Basil, give it a nice little flavor there. We're going to add a little bit of parsley. Okay, parsley in there. All right. Parsley has a mind of its own sometimes. Static. Now we're going to add some salt. 2 grains of salt. Now we're going to add a little bit of pepper. About half a teaspoon of pepper. Don't need much. Not trying to get crazy. Now let me grab I'm going to use a little whisk to whisk this up. Right, mix this up. So nice and mixed. Okay, now we're going to add this to our shrimp. And you may notice there's no citrus in this, which is good because we're going to be marinating these shrimp for at least 2 hours. Get that in there. Okay. This closed up with the air out. Now we're going to mix this. Alright, this is going to go into the refrigerator for, like I said, 2 hours. See you in the next step. So you didn't need me to show you how to skewer the meats and the veggies. But here we go. These are what's going to be going on the grill. I'm going to end up making 2 more of the beef, the steak skewers, and then I'm going to do the shrimp. Okay, let's see what we got. So here, rotating nicely. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Probably going to be ready in about 15, 20 minutes. See you then. We'll check the tip. Alright, now we want to make a basting liquid for the skewers. We're going to put a couple tablespoons of lemon juice in here. It's going to help out especially with the shrimp when we put the shrimp on. We're going to put about a half a cup of olive oil. Yeah, that works. Put about a teaspoon of black pepper in here. Okay. And then we're going to add the granulated garlic. That's why I didn't add it before, because I knew it was going to be in the basting sauce, the basting liquid. And also the granulated onion. That in there. And then let me grab some parsley. We're going to add parsley as well. Okay, let's get this parsley in here. Alright. And we're going to mix this all up. That's what we're going to baste with. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. Let's get our basting liquid on it. Alright. Help it stay moist. This will also season the veggies. All right, another 5 minutes. Set you right there. Stop that there. Take this guy out. Okay. Take this guy out. Oh, can you see? Okay. Start it back up, spin this around. And stop there. Take this guy out. Then take this guy out. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the meat and veggies off this, so this can all cool down, so we can get the next set on. We're going to put this into a 170-degree oven, so it can rest. And while that's resting, we're going to do the next set of skewers. Alright, so let's get this in the oven. Alright, second batch with the shrimp in it. Do the base. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. Be back in 5. So we got our turmeric rice. Has parsley, garlic and onion powder in it. Alright, here we go. End product. Kebabs on top of the yellow rice, the turmeric rice. Gonna be awesome. Hope you try this recipe out. Give it a shot. I know you'll enjoy it, just like I'm getting ready to enjoy it. This is Straw. Hey, subscribe. Hey, leave some comments. Tell me what you think. And hey, tell your friends about it. Alright? This is Straw, and I am out.